In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple ways to remove those unwanted subtitles. No complex editing needed. Let's get started. Method 1. Using CapCut. Start by importing your video into CapCut and placing it on the timeline. Next, crop the area where the subtitles appear. Then, reposition the video to keep it centered or aligned as needed. Now, export the final video. And just like that, the subtitles are gone. Keep in mind though, this method trims part of the frame, which might not be ideal for every clip. Method 2. Using HitPaw VikPea. If you don't want to lose your video's resolution, try this method. Launch HitPaw VikPea and go to the AI toolbox, then select Watermark Removal. Import your video, then highlight the subtitle areas you want to remove. Make sure to cover through the entire timeline, especially if the subtitles change or appear at different moments. Once everything is selected, preview the result. You'll see the subtitles are cleanly removed. If it looks good, close the preview and export your video. And that's it! Method 3. Using HitPaw Online tool. Go to the online hitpaw.com. You can find the link in the description. Select All tool on the top and click the Video Watermark Remover. And upload the video here. Then highlight the subtitle areas you want to remove. Make sure to cover through the entire timeline. And then we can click the preview to have a check. And if it looks good, close the preview and export your video. 3 easy ways to remove subtitles from your videos. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, hope it's useful, and see you in the next one.